Hey guys, it's Danielle Amato. I'm live from my studio in Tappan, New York. I'm a Janome maker. I joined the crew last fall. I'm a fashion designer and just overall sewing lover and enthusiast. I have a degree in fashion design. I'm going for my bachelor's in textile development and marketing at FIT, so shout out to FIT. I just want to thank Janome for giving me this opportunity to be live with you all today while we're all home. You know, this is such a great sense of community that we all can kind of hop on together like this. And I also want to thank them for giving me a reason to do my hair and makeup today for the first time in like 3 weeks, which feels good. So there's that. I have been using Janome machines for 12 years now, if you can believe that. I'm 23, so that's a pretty good chunk of time for me. But yeah, so let me know where you guys are checking in from. I'd love to know where you guys are. Again, like I said, I'm in Tappan, New York, so I'd love to know how near or how far you guys are. And anyway, yeah, like I said, I've been sewing with Janome machines forever. I still use the first machine my parents surprised me with when I was in like 5th grade. And I just love them. So anyway, so today I'm sewing on the Skyline S7, and I'll be showing you the triple stretch stitch, which is really cool for top stitching on denim and things, more heavy duty stuff like that, to give that appearance of using a heavy duty thread if you don't have any, which is really cool. I have some people answering the comments while I'm filming, so if I don't get to your comment while I'm filming, I'll check that out at the end. I also have projects to show to hopefully inspire you guys while you guys are home. I use denim a ton, especially old jeans that I find, either that I have or that I find at sales or thrift stores. It's a great way to repurpose and recycle, and it's a great opportunity now that we're home and resources might be a little harder to get your hands on. And yeah, don't you have those pair of jeans that you tell yourself you're going to wear and you never do? So now's a perfect opportunity to turn them into an awesome creative project. So I'll show you a few things that I've done in the past to hopefully get you inspired. What else? All right, well, I guess I can show you. Oh, this is one thing I wanted to share. Piggybacking off of what Kimberly shared yesterday, the free embroidery download of the lips for these masks that we're all wearing. I just knew that I needed to jump on this with another idea. So I came up with this disguise. Masks, you can't really tell your identity so much when we have these on our faces. So I figured this might be a way to just turn it up a notch. So now available on the Janome website is 5 different versions of a mustache that you can embroider on your homemade masks. So I hope that kind of puts a kicker in your day to sew something fun and in light of things going on. All right, I guess I can show you some projects that I've done in the past. So bear with me as I change this around. I've never done this before. How do I okay. 1 second, you guys. Okay, here we go. Here is a dress that I've done with piecing different fabrics together in different washes of denim, which is really cool. You can take patterns that you already have, and instead of cutting just the one front piece out of one solid fabric, you can try piecing the actual denim together. I've also do these backpacks out of denim, and it's really fun to kind of make it like a puzzle and kind of piecing the different washes and the tones together and how it's light, dark, light. I've also done this bag, and I was digging this out actually this morning out of my closet, and this was my beach bag, and this is one of the first ones I've ever done, and I realized that I never cleaned it out. There's actually some sunscreen and everything still in there, so that's kind of cool. Also, I have this jacket that I've done out of piecing denim, which is super fun. Here's the back. I just love working with the different washes and kind of making it a game about the different looks that you can achieve using the denim. And there's another jacket here, like this here, and it has zippers on the shoulders which open, and it has a front placket and snaps and a zipper and some pleats on the side to add some structure, which was really fun. So I really loved that. And now back to the S7. I'll flip this camera around and show you what I'm working with here. All right, so I have my S7 set up, and here is the triple stretch stitch. If you can see, here's the actually the original stitching that you see on the inseam of your jeans, and this is like the triple stretch stitch. I used just a regular sewing thread that I had, and it gives you the ability to kind of achieve that thicker look than just using just the regular straight stitch. So if you go to your machine, you can see, and by the way, this stitch here, it's stitch 5. I found that this stitch is available across a lot of models and not just the S7 and the like that have the screen like this. If you look for this icon on your machine, that's exactly what that is the triple stretch stitch. So you could achieve this on a lot of the Janome machines. So anyway, so now I have selected my stretch stitch, and I'm going to increase the stitch length to 5 so that we can achieve that long length that you see in denim. So let's do that. Okay. And now that we have it set up in the machine here, I have a double fold of a 1/2 inch hem here, and all you need to do is line up with your seam allowance and just give it a go. And it'll stitch back and forth, and it's repeating the stitch 3 times over, which gives you that thicker stitch look. And once you get to your end, you can do your magic thread cutter, and then you have it here. So you have lots of different things to play with this, and yeah, I just think that that was just a totally awesome way to utilize a function where you may not have heavy-duty thread or things like that, and especially in a time when we're kind of working with the supplies that we have on hand. So that's a great way to kind of improvise on the things that you have. And with that being said, if you have any questions or you're looking to upgrade your machine or anything like that, our dealers are doing curbside pickup and home delivery, and they're around to answer any kind of questions that you might have or anything. So be sure to check out the Janome website to find a dealer if you need any assistance. And yeah, so thanks for watching. I hope this is informative and fun and gets you guys going while you're home. And yeah, I look forward to doing this again. Thanks, guys.